can see quite a lot of pollen coming in. There's 3 bees over there with it, and a couple on the porch. Another one landed. Another one landed, another one landed. They're just bringing quite a bit of pollen in. So I checked another fairly decent colony, went into winter fairly decent numbers, and they've got 4+ frames of brood in there. So we don't want to be too surprised by these bees. Show you guys what we got going on up here in the top box. Quite a bit of bees up here. So this is all mediums for some reason. Doing a little Duck River honey style management here, I guess. Oh gosh. What the heck? Okay. Let's say the bees are gonna be a little early this year. Got goofballs on Facebook and stuff saying, oh, it could be a false spring. I don't know. If they're hauling in a bunch of pollen, that ain't false, that's real. So that's why we're getting in here and kind of taking a look at this. You know, they build all this bridge comb because they don't have anywhere to put drones when we give them, you know, a foundation that's worker size, and they build it out worker size, and then here we come into spring and they're like, oh, we better build some drones. They ain't got nowhere to build it. So this is kind of what you get right here. Of course, they couldn't build it over there where they had space on that shallow frame. They had to do it right here in the middle because that's where their cluster was at. So I'm gonna set this one over to the side, and well, I can tell you there ain't a whole lot of brood in there because that is heavy. That is definitely all honey up in there, mostly anyway. While we're in here, guys, we'll look for some mites. What is that? No, it's just dirty. Just gonna see if we can see any. This doesn't mean I don't have mites, but I mean, a lot of these were capped, so why not check it out? This is real wide. Gosh. Oh, crap. You see we got a bunch of bees down here, too. Got brood in the bottom box. So hopefully that's where our queen is, because I just dumped the other one. I'm letting that sit there, and hopefully some of them bees that got dumped down on the ground find their way back up into that box. I guess we can check this beetle trap while we're waiting. Golly, they got this sucker in there pretty good. Got some beetles in there. You can see they've closed the top up on one side. Still a little bit of space on this side where beetles could get in there if they wanted to, I guess. So I'll go ahead and leave it in here, or not. Actually, I had it over here. Watch out, please. Put this back. Ain't hurting nothing. Still got a lot of bees down here in the bottom box. Hopefully the queens. Hopefully the queen's down in there and not in the top box. Got a stinger here. Oh good, I like cut the stinger in half, probably, it looks like. Oh, maybe I got it out in one piece. I don't know how well that camera zooms in. You can see that stinger there. Just came out. that second one hurt for some reason. Golly. Second one came in with a little extra sauce, I guess. I think they're pissed off I threw them over there on the ground, but could be wrong. Okay. Decided I did enough damage for one day and close them back up.